Good day. It's another day. It's another lakad-lakad day.
Oh.
With partner there. Alam niyo na ayaw niya. Today is January 25, Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Oh, parang ano na. It's still my day off. I still have day off tomorrow, guys. And then Monday, back to work na naman si RC. Na-bored kami sa bahay and we decided to walk around the city and maybe shopping.
Oh, I forgot my money.
You have your car there. Ayan, so dito tayo dadaan. Lumabas si sun dyan kanina, pero it's cloudy and I think this will not be too long, yung sun. So mamaya parang uulan siya. It will rain tonight, I think. Ang ganda ng building talaga dyan, guys. Na-vlog ko na to before. Yung building na yan, European Central Bank. So dyan, so all the money from the European countries, guys, will be invented there. Charot. So naglalakad kami because we need fresh air. And ang kapal ng aming, it's hot na. Ang kapal ng aming sinuot kasi akala namin malamig, pero hindi naman pala. It's 10 degree, I guess. Yes, in the moment, guys, lumabas na naman si sun at ang ganda ng weather. May playground dyan, guys. Oh, may naglalaro dyan mga bata. There's a lot of people today because it's weekend, family day, and the sun is shining in the moment, pero hindi talaga ito siya magtatagal. So, kailangan lang talaga naming breathe in the fresh air and breathe out the bad air. Talagang bored kami sa bahay. Wala kaming magawa. I mean, di ba nung Wednesday, lumabas naman ako, pero sa garden lang din, so walang masyadong lakad-lakad. Today, we will be really walking around the city. I'm still hoping that we will do shopping. And look at this, ang ganda talaga dito dyan sa playground kasi dyan, guys.
That's a playground
for the
adults.
kids. Adults, then here's
Over
for
there,
the kids.
there's the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because beside the river, right?
Yeah.
Ang daming tao, There's a lot of people today.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, sinasadya nila to because tonight or this afternoon uulan, and I think the whole Sunday tomorrow will be raining. So, yung mga tao lalabas today. Kasi tomorrow magkukulong na naman sa bahay yung mga tao dito. I think ano yun, guys, free coffee and cookies. Pero naiya kami, so hindi na lang.
Probably advertisement for
for the products or the party. Or yeah, genau, for club or something.
no political party.
So, okay. Akala ko.
No, there's no sign.
Yeah, there's no sign, that's why.
Yeah, maybe just kind of people.
Ang cute ng bata dyan, oh. Ganyan dito, guys. Kasi nga, tinitake advantage nila yung weather today. Grabe yung cloud, no? It's very dark. So, dyan pa tayo lalakad papuntang city. Yan na yung Frankfurt buildings, yung skyline. So, dyan tayo lalakad. Maglalakad papuntang city. So, dito tayo dadaan, guys, sa may mga ganyan. Kasi dyan, may madaming nagja-jogging. So, there, you can sit if you want. With the sun. Later, maybe. Diba? Yan lang yung ganap natin. Lakad-lakad in the city around. Yes, this is Frankfurt. Oh my god, ang daming guys. Ang daming poops ng swan. Yung mga Oh my god. I think we will bahala na yung mga nag-jogging eh. Ang dami kasing poops ng mga dyan. So this is Frankfurt, the River Main. Diba? Ayan. Gumanda talaga yung gumanda yung panahon. Si Sun lumabas talaga siya. Pero ang dami na talaga nagja-jogging. Lumabas na talaga si Mr. Sun. Magpapahinga muna kami dito, guys, sa bench. Diba? Ang ganda ng view. Can we sit here? Well, manonood tayo ng dyan. Pahinga muna tayo mga 5 to 10 minutes and then continue kami guys. Continue kami lakad to the city. Ang ganda ng it's fresh,
Yeah.
It's not so cold. maganda. Yan guys, meron din silang mga river cruise dito. Pwede ka ding sumakay dyan. I don't know kung magkano yung pamasahe dyan, pero mataas yan. Mga 45 minutes yung ano yan guys. Lilibutin nila yung mataas na river na to. I don't know hanggang mga ilang city sila makakaano dyan. Tapos na ako sa ano guys. Okay. Nautusan pa akong magpa-picture, kasi magkasintahan. Nagpa-picture sila sa harap nitong church. Mga Indian ata sila. And guys, papunta na kami ngayon sa sa city. Dadaan kasi kami dito sa may parang Kleinmarkt Halle ang tawag. May mga seafoods. So naalala ko, gusto ko palang kumain ng alimango. So sana meron doon, sana may crabs doon. Mga fresh kasi mga doon, mga tinda nila. Hopefully, pero I'm sure mahal guys. Kung meron man, I'm sure mahal talaga, pero we will see. Pasok tayo dyan, Kleinmarkt Halle. Dyan ang daming mga seafoods fresh. Ang daming tao guys today. Hi. At saka sa baba guys, yan, may dami ding tao dyan. May mga tindahan din dyan. Mga flower shops. May mga prutas dyan. May mga vegetables. May mga restaurants din naman. Yan yung mga restaurants. Oh, sausage type.
Okay, yeah.
Hearing. Bababa na tayo guys. Ang dami talagang tao. Ayan na yung mga fruits. So na. Nakalabas na kami guys. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao and then wala kaming nabili. We didn't buy anything. Wala kaming nabili guys. Wala silang crabs. At least may nakita akong mga doon, mga meat na mga buto-buto. At least alam ko na doon. Merong mga buto-buto doon. Na ang lalaki-laki na mga buto. Bibili tayo doon next time. Hindi na muna ngayon kasi hindi yun ang plano namin for today. Dito tayo sa center guys. Shopping center. Ang daming tao talaga guys. Look. It's Saturday. Oh my god. We will not go there, right? No. Hindi na tayo susulong doon guys kasi ang dami talagang tao today. Yeah, because tomorrow then is closed, Sunday, and then, di ba? Tapos uulan pa. So, today lalabas ang mga tao. Ang dami talaga guys. Saturday nga pala ngayon guys, kaya merong mga food stall dyan. Every Saturday kasi yan. So, we will check if meron kami magustuhan dito. Kakain kami. Tingnan natin guys. We are going home. And we didn't bought anything because we don't have money. My partner will not buy for me. Maglalakad kami guys. And actually malapit na kami sa may zoo. And we will just drop by this ramen restaurant, right? Ramen. So we will have ramen maybe if they're open. Kasi sometimes guys, pag umuwi kami, tas naglalakad, tas dito, tas gusto kong mag-ramen, always silang close. try natin, hopefully. Then we will have my first meal of the day. It's 1 p.m. or mga 12 p.m.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah, kaka 1 o'clock pa lang guys. So, where did you saw the... yeah, there. And did you enjoy our walking for today?
More or less.
More or less. More or less. But it's good, right?
Yes.
We did walkings and
Walking was nice and fresh
but
air.
yeah, nor in the only in the city there's a lot of people
yeah.
and stress guys, nakaka-stress.
For you.
For you, yeah. For me pala. Ayan na yung zoo guys. Harap ng zoo. Tapos dito tayo kakain. Magla-lunch kami dito. Let's see. Hello. It's fine. Andito na kami guys.
Kannst du mich etwas lauter sprechen?
Tapos na kaming mag-ano guys. Tapos na ang aming habhaban. Now, maglalakad kami pa uwi again. Malapit na naman yung bahay namin guys. So, maglalakad lang kami of course. Para paano, kasi ang busog namin. Busog ko pala. Ko.